Hi, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to this incredible kitchen where we've just made the most incredible desserts in this really awesome program called Celebrate Your Sweet Tooth Naturally with me at home with you. This program is epic. This is a fantastic cake. It's a birthday cake to celebrate the day of your birth, which is awesome. Easter is Easter, and apparently we have hot cross buns. I just want to make them on a Sunday or a Saturday when I've got a day off. Cinnamon scrolls are gorgeous, and when you make them with really beautiful whole ingredients, you get the same sensation, the same texture, and if not, even a better feeling in your body after you eat them. Caramel slice is just beautiful, and it's really, really simple to make. And come along with this journey with me and bring the kids into the kitchen because this is totally kid-friendly. This is my dad's favourite biscuit, and it brings tears to my eyes because he's left us. So what's cool about these Anzac biscuits, and Dad, you'd be proud of me. Well, actually, probably wouldn't. There's no butter in them, so we're using coconut oil. So something different. Allergies. Egg allergies, we have you covered. Dairy-free, we have you covered. Nut-free, we have you covered. Gluten-free, we have you covered. Let's make brownies, and let's make really simple brownies with I think 6 ingredients. I can't remember actually off the top of my head. Have you ever wondered how they make orange cakes? You know, the ones, the poppy seed and orange gluten-free cakes in coffee shops. I see them around the place in cafes, on menus. Really interesting cake, and I love the idea of sharing this with you. I like the idea of making a carrot cake in bare feet. So take off your shoes. This is an awesome recipe. This is easy, very, very easy. Let's make some gluten-free, beautiful traditional lamingtons. And I love the idea of this. My girlfriend Rochelle was the one that inspired me to do this. We made the beautiful banana bread and it had egg in it. This one is without egg, so it's an egg-free banana bread. This is super, super cool if you have egg allergies or, yeah, you're not into eggs. I'm just so pleased to show you how you can heal from the inside out and how this is possible to satiate your body when you want something really quite sweet and yummy and you reach for something that's made from science, do you know what I mean? And it doesn't serve you, but when you reach to nature and the cakes that we'll be making here, it really is healing from the inside out. It's quite amazing.